Now let's talk about fleshing out content. The fleshing out process occurs once you already have a skeletal outline of the course. And of course, the skeletal outline was developed based on the information that was generated, the topic ideas that were generated during the brainstorming session. Once you have sent out the outline and received any feedback for changes, the next step is to start fleshing out the content. And you do that by assigning the respective subject or topic areas to the participants in the group who have that information. Now, if you have a template for organizing content, it is something that you will want to share with the people who are developing the specific assigned sections of the outline. If you don't already have one or don't have one in mind, there are many resources on the internet for templates that exist for organizing course content. So find one that suits your needs and then utilize that one across the board with anyone who's working on developing the content for the course. Another thing that you'll want to do at this stage is identify or have the subject matter experts who are working on the respective subject areas, have them identify any additional resources that could accompany the content that would be helpful to anyone who is taking the course.